Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys another Stitch Fix unboxing. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you'll know I love Stitch Fix, and so do so many of you guys as well. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a styling service where you are matched with a personal stylist that picks and chooses pieces for you based on your wants, your needs, and what you're looking to amp up your wardrobe with. With Stitch Fix, it is available to not only women, but they also offer straight size plus petite, maternity, and they have men and children now as well. With Stitch Fix, they do send you pieces based on what you're looking for. So it's not only clothes, it could be shoes, accessories, jewelry, and they now also have the option for extras is what they call them. So the extras are bras, panties, like any type of undergarments. I think they have socks and stuff as well. For this box, I did actually request an extra and it was sent to me. So I'm so excited. I requested a little bralette, which I'll share with you, of course, as we go through today. But that item is going to be extra to the 5 items you are typically sent, if that makes sense. If you guys are interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, I'll have a link in the description box down below. As I mentioned, Stitch Fix is my favorite styling service. I have tried out D&Co, I've tried out Trunk Club, and neither are as good to me personally as my Stitch Fix. I feel like they really match my style the best, and they really keep up with trends, and they just incorporate a lot of fun pieces, which I feel like really match my style. As always, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. So if you guys do Stitch Fix as well, you can actually request the specific item from your stylist, and if it's available, they'll send it to you. So I'll put those down below. I'll put my size down there too, in case you guys are interested as well. But let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys are interested in seeing this Stitch Fix unboxing, then please keep watching. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I did request an extra item. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys first. I don't know if I mentioned or not, but I've never had an extra item before. They just really haven't sold me on any of them. They're usually like typical plain bralettes or bras or panties and socks, and it's like, I don't really need those things, but it is nice to get them from there if that is what you're looking for. But they did happen to have this Free People bralette, which I have been really eyeing for a while, so it is nice to have the option to try it on before actually purchasing it. So again, this is from Free People. This is the Adela Bralette in the color white. It's in a size extra large and it costs $38. Now this is what the bralette looks like. I've seen so many people wear these bralettes, and I think they are so incredibly fun. They do typically come in a few different colors, but Stitch Fix, I believe, only had the white one available. So it is a crochet bralette with the deeper plunge. It does have the little cutout details underneath the chest. There are not cups or anything in here, but there is a little bit of material. I personally didn't have too much of an issue with it being see-through, but that was just personally how I felt. And then in the back we do have a bunch of like crisscross details, and these straps are adjustable. And then underneath these straps we do have this super stretchy elastic piece, and it's really nice because it is so like thick. You get a lot of good back coverage, and it covered all my rolls. So if that's something that bothers you, then this bralette is super cute and it does cover that. So I am thinking I am going to keep this. I will be honest, these strings make me a little nervous just because they're so thin, and like what happens if one of them just snaps? Like they're pretty thin, but at the same time I think it's so pretty and it's going to look really great with a lot of different pieces. One of the pieces that I actually think would look so cute with that little bralette is a pair of pants. These pants are from the brand 151. These are the Marjorie printed wide leg pant in a size extra large, and they cost $38. So this is what they look like here. As mentioned in the title, they are a wide leg pant. They do have the elastic band at the waist, and they are blue with the paisley print all over them, and they actually fit me at an awesome length, you guys. I've been dying for a pair of these pants, but unfortunately they just never, the length is just never there for me. So these actually fit me really great. They look really cute with the little bralette from Free People, and I love the combo together with maybe like a jean jacket or a little cardigan, and I think that would complete the look totally. Now let me know what you guys think about these pants in the comments down below. I will be honest with you, I did own a pair of pants very similar to these, like actually the same detail, but they were in this orange color, and I got mine from Fashion Nova last year, and I never wore them at all last year. Like I thought they were so cute and so fun. They were a little bit shorter than these, but I just never wore them. So there's a chance I'll wear them more because these are actually longer and fit me right. But at the same time, I'm a little worried. So let me know what you guys think about these down below. I'm still trying to decide what I want to keep from this box. Now my stylist actually recommended wearing this next piece with those pants, but I'll be honest, I don't actually really love the combo together. This is from the brand 9 Britton. This is the Corrie back cutout knit top in a size extra large, and this costs $28. This is what the little tank looks like here. So it is a thicker strapped tank top. It does have the like scoop neck in the front, and then we have these little like crisscross detail, and then in the back it is cut out as well. So what I like about this tank is that it is cut out. I like that it is a thicker strapped tank top as well. It gives pretty decent coverage in this area personally. I don't usually like when tank tops are so thin that you're like getting like side boobs. So this one does have good coverage. But what I don't love is actually this little like detail towards the bottom. I feel like it's just too much with the crisscross in the back and then with that at the bottom. And I personally don't love the black with the navy pants as well, because I feel like you need something a little bit more fitted to go with such a wide leg pant. But let me know what your thoughts are again down below. Moving on, I actually got a cardigan. This is from the brand Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. This is the Martina Slub knit open cardigan in a size extra large, and this one costs $38. I'll be honest, you guys, when I saw this piece online, like before I actually got my box in, I was like, why would they send me a cardigan? Like, I just don't understand. It's just so warm here, you know, whatever. But then I got it in, I was like, you know, I kind of like this. So it is a white cardigan. It has that detail that kind of pulls it in like around the chest, if that makes sense. It is long sleeve and there are pockets as well. This cardigan is actually so good. I don't have one in this like true white color. I only have that duster that I got last year from Stitch Fix, which I love, especially for the spring and summertime, but I don't have like a true cardigan. Like, I feel like this could be perfect for like any outfit at all. So I'm still thinking about it. Like I said, it's really lightweight. It actually would be okay for the weather in Maryland, especially right now. It's been warmer some days, but then some days are still kind of dropping a little bit cooler. So I think this would actually be perfect. Let me know what you guys think about this one as well down below. Do I need it? Is it going to be an essential? Let me know what your thoughts are. And then the next piece I have to share today is probably my personal favorite. This is the Mason & Belle Aurelea cold shoulder top in a size extra large, and this costs $44. Not sure if I pronounced that name correctly, but I'll have it listed down below so you guys can check that out. But this is what the top looks like here. You guys know I love florals, so surprise, surprise. Obviously, I like the floral top. This one is an off the shoulder top, but it does also have the little cold shoulder detail as well, so it's nice. It keeps it staying up. This one is about long sleeve. It does have the elastic at the bottom, and then as I mentioned, it does have the elastic up at the chest as well. There is this little like cutout detail with the tie, and then there are faux buttons all the way in the center, and then at the bottom it is elastic as well. This one fits me really well. The material feels really nice, very breathable, and I love the color scheme. I have tons of floral pieces, but I really don't have one in this really pretty, like, it's almost like, it reminds me of Cajun, OPI Cajun shrimp, if you guys know that color. It's like that reddish, like orangey color, like kind of similar to, I guess my nails were kind of more of this color the last time. Now they're more of this like neon orange, but I really love this color. I've been very attracted to it recently, so it's fun to have a shirt like this one in my collection. And then the last piece I have to share with you guys is actually a bag. Rarely do I get accessories from Stitch Fix, so I always get really excited when I do receive one. This is from the brand Street Level. This is the Demi fold over vegan leather crossbody bag. It's in the color brown, and this one cost $48. This is what it looks like here. It did come in a nice bag as well. Feels very high quality. It's very like heavy duty, like it feels very secure, just like really nice quality. Has the straps inside here. You know what, guys, I really like this bag a lot, but I don't really absolutely need one in this color scheme. I think if it was maybe something different, like a different color, I would have liked it a little bit more, because I feel like I have a ton of brown bags. But if you guys are looking for a nice like sturdy brown crossbody bag for the summertime, I think this one is awesome. It does have the gold details all over it, and then when you open it up inside, we have two different compartments in here, and then just like a lot of really good storage space. So I don't know, I mean, maybe maybe I'll keep it, but I just almost feel like I have so many darn bags lately. Let me know though, of course, what you guys think about that one, as with all of them, in the comments down below. But I feel like I've been talking for a really long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I will have all items that I shared with you guys listed in the description box down below, including my size, if you guys are interested. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you do Stitch Fix and you like some of the items that I shared with you guys today, you guys can go ahead and share the brand and the product name with your stylist, and if it's in stock, they might be able to send it to you. But I think that's gonna do it for today. So I hope you guys all have a lovely day, a lovely week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.